Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive your chats on Telegram. First, you can open your Telegram on Android or your iPhone and you can choose the chat you want to archive. Let's say I want to archive this chat, and as you can see there is archive option or icon here. You can click it and now your chat is archived. And in the top, as you can see, there is archive chats here. You can click it. And if you want to unarchive this chat, you can just simply hold the chat. And if you have multiple chats, you can just select another chat and you can go to your three dots in the top right corner here. And then there is option to unarchive. You can click it. And done. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.